Hi, today we can discuss about enamel painting. So before that we can discuss about the surfaces. So surface is nothing but where the paint application is done. That area we can call it as a surface. If you consider a home, in a home you can able to see total four type of surface. First one is metal surface. For example, metal gate or grills, these all we can call it as a metal surface. Second one is wood surface. So example for wood surface is doors and furnitures. Third one is masonry surface. So example for masonry surface is walls or fall ceiling. Fourth one is plastic surface. So example for plastic surface is switchboards. So totally four kind of surfaces you can able to see. Now question is enamel paint in what all surface we can pitch or painter can do the painting. So we can pitch enamel painting in three surfaces. Those are first one is metal, second one is wood surface, third one is masonry, but not on plastic surface. If you apply paint on plastic, it will not stick properly, it will peel off. So enamel paint you can pitch all the three surfaces. Again I am repeating, metal surface, wood surface as well as masonry surface. Now we can discuss one by one. So first we can take wood surface. In wood surface again there are two processes. First one is fresh painting, second one is repainting. In fresh painting, painter first he will sand the surface and he will apply the putty if it is required. And again on top of that he will apply the primer coat. On top of that he will apply the enamel paint, that is top coat. This is for fresh paint. In repainting process, painter will sand the surface and he will apply the two coat of top coat, that is enamel paint. So in repaint, painter will not use any putty or he will not use primer. So this is the main difference between fresh paint and repaint. So where all we can pitch fresh paint and repaint. So fresh paint you can pitch on damaged area, as you can able to see the pictures. If you able to see, if you are finding like these surfaces, you can pitch fresh painting. Here putty work can, here painter will do the putty work if it is required, then he will do the primer mandatorily and he will do two coat of top coat, so that paint will long last and it will stick properly. And for repaint, now you are able to see the pictures. If you able to find like these surfaces, you can pitch the repaint. And keep in a mind that in repainting process, painter will not use primer, directly he will apply the two coat of top coat application. Second one is metal surface. In metal surface also again two types are there. First one is fresh painting and other one is repainting. In fresh painting, painter he will sand the surface and he will apply the putty, then he will apply the primer coat, and last he will apply the top coat, that is enamel application. And in repainting, painter he will sand the surface and directly he will apply the top coat. In here also in repainting, painter will not use any primer or any putty. Only in fresh painting painter use the putty if it is required, and he will use the primer mandatorily. So this is the difference between fresh painting and repainting. So where all you can pitch the fresh painting. So on metal surface, as you are able to see the picture, if you are able to find like these surfaces, you can pitch the fresh painting. And repainting, as you able to see the pictures, like if you find like these areas or surfaces, you can pitch the repainting process. In repainting process, painter will apply the directly two coat of top coat, he will not use the any primer coat. And one more thing here we can discuss on metal painting. If the customer wants to paint his almirah or any kind of metal cupboards, there you can't able to pitch the enamel painting, because these are different. Here people use different kind of paint, or people may use the spray painting. So by normal enamel paint we can't paint like these objects. Third one is masonry surface. In masonry surface again two processes are there. First one is fresh painting, second one is repainting. In fresh painting, first step is sanding, second step is putty application. Here painter will apply entire wall putty. And third step is primer application. Fourth step is top coat application, that is enamel painting. In repainting, so step 1 is sanding, step 2 is putty application. Here painter will not apply the putty on entire wall, only apply on damaged area. And third step is primer application. And fourth step is top coat application, that is enamel painting. So when you consider masonry surface, in repainting as well as fresh painting, painter will apply the primer. So make sure that if you are pitching repainting process on masonry wall, you are adding the primer cost, because in metal and wood surface primer cost we are not adding, because in repainting process we are not using primer in metal as well as wood, but on the masonry surface we are applying the primer coat. So we have to add the primer coat cost. And where all we can pitch the enamel paint on masonry surface. So if you consider a home, in a home you can pitch on the kitchen, because in a kitchen there will be a more oil fumes. So this enamel paint will not capture, or it will not oil fumes will not sit on the enamel paint that easily compared to emulsion paint. Thank you.